Hello students. So we are going to study today about the location of center of mass. This is an important problem for wind and seismic analysis. So what we are saying here problem is state that locate center of mass of a building having uniform distribution of mass as shown in figure. This figure is given here. So this is a rectangular portion, and in this rectangular portion another rectangular portion is present here having 10 meter length and 4 meter depth. Overall the whole rectangle section has a dimensions about 20 meter in x axis and 8 meter in y axis. So mass of the particular section given is 1200 kilogram per meter square, and another remaining section is given here, that is 1000 kilogram per meter square. So how we can calculate the center of mass of this particular section? So we will see here. What will we do? Then let us assume this slab we convert into three parts due to similarity of the sections. We have seen that this is the first part, and remaining we are assuming that second part. But what we can do, we convert this overall section into three equal parts because of the symmetricity. First part is there, and second part we assume here, and another remaining part is this rectangular portion, okay. So mass of this first part is 1200 kilogram per meter square, and another part is 1000 kilogram. Either it may be this part or either it may be this part. So we have converted this overall section into three parts. First is this, second is this, and third is this, okay. So suppose the origin of a point be at any point A. We can't say where this point exists, but we also assume that our origin at this point, and center of mass will be lie anywhere in this section, or if this section is not similar, then the center of mass can move towards the outer side of this section also. So center of origin we are assuming here, and suppose this is a capital A having coordinate x and y. So there are point origin A, and x and y will be present anywhere in this section having coordinate x and y. So all dimensions we are taking here from this origin in respect of this origin. So x we can calculate. As you know that formula of this particular center of calculation for center of mass is that m1 x1 means particular mass of this particular section multiply by x1 of the distance from the center of mass of particular coordinate, and the remaining. So we can calculate the x. How we can calculate? 10 into 4 into 12 means this is the mass of this particular section, rectangle section, 1200, but it is given in kilogram per meter square. So we will multiply this mass per unit area into mass by area of this particular section. That is 10 cross 4. So here 10 into 4 into 12, it converted into mass, multiply by 5. What is 5? This is the center of mass, this particular section, which lie in the midpoint of this section. 10 divided by 2 means 5, plus 10 into 4 into 1000. What is this? This is the area and mass multiplied by mass of this particular section, second section. 10 into 4, 10 into 4, and mass, what is the mass? 1000, similar to this section, overall section. And how we can get 15? 15, if we start from this, then, and midpoint of this section will be 10 divided by 2 is similar to 10 divided by 2, 5 here. Then 10, we will take full section, 10 full length about the x-axis, 10 plus 5 midpoint of this section. So 10 plus 5 is 15, and plus remaining section is here having dimension 20 into 4. This is the area, multiplied by 1000. So it converted into mass, 20 into 4 into 1000. And what will be the center of mass? What will the centroid will lie in the midpoint of this 20 meter. So 20 meter divided by 2 means 10. So multiply by 10 and divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3. What is m1? m1, this m1, m2 and m3 means 10 into 4 into 1200. So we can get, after calculating, 9.76 meter. And similar to this, we can easily calculate the ordinate position, that is the y. So similar to this, we have seen in last equation, the mass of this particular section 1200 into 4 into 10, another section 10 into 4 into 1000, similar to previous question, previous equation, and this will be 20 into 4 into 1000, particular mass of this particular section. So we will go through in y direction. So what will be the center of mass for this particular section in y direction? So we are taking origin from here, and center of mass along the y-axis is present here for this particular section, means 4 divided by 2 means 2, and 4, this direction will be 4. So if we are taking from origin, then 4 plus 2, that is 6, you can see here. And what would be for this particular section? This is similar to this section, 4, that is the length of the y ordinate, full length we will take here, and half of this particular section. 4 divided by 2 means 2. So we think that this section, the centroid will be lie in the midpoint of this section. So 4 plus 2, 6, 6 here. And what will be the center of mass for this particular rectangle section having 20 into 4 dimension? So another further we will calculate from this point. So what will be the midpoint of this for particular ordinate or along the y section? So 4 is the total length, so half distance is 2. So you can see here this is 2, and divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3 in the form of per unit area. So after calculating we can get 4.1. So this is all about. So what is the coordinate of the center of mass? That is 9.76 for x portion, and for y coordinate 4.1. Thank you.